Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ifeanyi Chukwani, and on today's episode I want to show you guys some funny things that I've seen so far online, and to talk about the fact that this election is like an election that will determine the destiny of Nigeria. If this is your first time here, kindly like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more uploads like this. So let's get down to business.
This is a WhatsApp sent by Tinubu's group. No, read it out. I want you to read it out. Everybody can.
Power glad label.
No.
Okay.
Just read out what it says.
Yoruba, shine your eyes on. If you vote for P2B, is automatically voting for seaport in south and southeast. Then Igbos will stop coming to Lagos State to invest. Rather, they would go to Delta and River State. They may even stop building houses in Lagos. It will affect a lot of Yorubas. Yoruba Renu.
This is your contact. He don't see the value of let's have something better. He reads all the confusion. And that's it. And he will support it. I'm not sorry, I'm not using it.
No, it's okay.
He will support me.
It's okay.
When he comes here and I give him one, he said, Jagaban is the best candidate. Even when the man is not well. What's the problem of the country?
You just watched the video, right? The truth of the matter is that the APC government is not coming to power to do anything different. They're coming to continue where the Buhari administration stopped. A government of nepotism, a government of tribalism, a government to see that people are down. I mean, I keep wondering, why is it that almost everything is centered here in Lagos? Why won't they allow other states to develop on their own? As like, Lagos handles 75% of all imports in Nigeria. 3/4 of all goods that come into Nigeria is through Lagos. Even when they were talking of the export, it also happens here. We have Onne port, we have Port Harcourt port, we have Calabar port, we have Warri port, but all these ports are dormant. And only Apapa, Tinkan, Lagos that must work. And then this video you just watched of P2B that I shared on this on that Tinubu people share on their WhatsApp group is actually a point of the fact that they know that this dysfunctional system is not going to help anyone. But they are happy because some few persons, I know there are a lot of beautiful Yoruba people that don't even agree with this. I mean, every other port, every other state should have their own port. I mean, Lagos should be decongested. I mean, people should not be moving only Lagos. Other states should develop at their own pace. But the truth of the matter is that it's as if the system is designed this way in order to have only Lagos or only this part to grow while neglecting this. Because they know, I mean, 65% of importers in Nigeria are Igbos. Can take it to anywhere, over 65%. And then here, you don't have Port Harcourt working because the Igbo man will start trading there. But that will make Nigeria develop more. And then this is their own voting strategy, to tell their people not to vote. Of course, the truth of the matter is that there are a lot of Yorubas that are vying for P2B presidency. They have looked over the ethnic or tribal settlement. They don't say about is Igbo, is Yoruba. They know that this guy is competent, this guy is going to deliver. So I mean, I'm not bothered about that. I saw the video and I decided to like make you guys see this and see this is what they are coming for. But away from that, just see. Did you watch the video? I mean, I saw that video. That is about those guys that used to sell water with their truck. These are the guys that are filling in the gap. The government provide all the social amenities that we need as citizens, and then we can pay back in tax. I mean, we don't have lights. We provide our own light because there's no lights. Most homes have generators. We don't have water. Most homes have to open borehole supply themselves water, and those that cannot will have to buy from these guys. And they look at the government cracking down on them. Can you see that they came with Korope, an illegal duty? How can a state government not have cars for their function? They have to like rent so that they will catch people. That is the use of doing business. Now my problem here is that this is happening in Lagos. This same APC government wants to replicate this in the national level, and this is why I'm making this video. If you don't want to pay tax for walking on the street, Agbero will tax you, then don't vote for APC. Because this is actually going to happen. Because the rate of anyhowness here in Lagos is massive. As like, I've never seen this. There's even another video that I saw where they were like throwing what's the name? Throwing food for people inside murky water, dirty water. Is that the best approach to feed people? Is that the best approach to help people? I have observed that the APC government is a government that loves seeing people suffer. They like, as like, it gives them joy. They don't care, and this is what they want to take to the national level. Please don't even try it. Don't vote for APC. Don't. It's not only for you. I didn't vote for APC in 2015, neither did I vote for them in 2019. But I'm suffering the decision of some few foolish people, because they are foolish. Anybody that voted for APC in 2015 and 2019 is a foolish person. It is clear. What was Buhari president in 1983 to 1985 that made you guys think he's a good fit above Goodluck Jonathan then? Yeah, of course, I know PDP wasn't any better, but APC is worse off. Please, guys, we still have another opportunity. I appeal to you guys once more. Vote Peter Obi and Dati Baba Ahmed. Those are the only people that can salvage this situation of this country now. We can't keep jumping to Canada, going to this thing when God has given us sunlight, gold, and oil here. We have everything. We have the best weather in Nigeria. We have the best of the best here. We have the best mind. We can fix this. And tomorrow, we have to. I enjoy every one of you watching this video, so please go out there. Don't say, our votes don't count, your vote counts. Only 35% of Nigerians vote. This year, it has increased to over 70% that have registered so far. So if that 70% comes out to vote, they will likely not be able to rig it. Don't believe anything. P2B is winning. Thank you, guys.